Hello my friends, the video I'm going to show you today talks about the power of the mind and the power of our goals and how they drive us to achieve what we want to achieve in life. How driven we are to achieve our goals by our dreams and the things we do to get there. Want to go somewhere. I want you to look closely at this guy, at his eyes, at the pain in his face to achieve his goal. Please, stay with me and look at the video. Go and get it, and get it, and get it, get it. Hi, good morning my friends. It's in Paul, Minnesota right now for the Barry Print 2009 event. Barry Print, sponsored by 3M. It's about 37 degrees. And I think I have the flu. I think I have the swine. Maybe I don't want to be here, but this event is by invitation only. And I gotta be here, you know? And sometimes you gotta do things that are good for your professional and personal development. It's by invitation only. I cannot miss it by the word. I gotta be here. How many times have you done something that you don't really feel like you want, or you feel that you can do it because you are sick like I am right now, or the temperature is 37, it's only 5 degrees above freezing. It's very cold. You don't want to get up your bed, nice and cozy place, but you're here and you're gonna do the best and you're gonna do great. Think about that and write your comments below. So, did you like the video? I did. I wish you the best achieving your goals.